Hi there. Do you want to speak English more fluently? To sound natural when you talk, just like a native speaker? Then you're in the right place. Today, we'll learn English through a true style story, told like a journal with real emotion, humor, and a few surprises. And guess what? You'll be practicing shadowing too. That means you can repeat after me, sentence by sentence, to improve your speaking. So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's dive into the story together. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already, because every week I'll be sharing stories and techniques to help you speak English with confidence. I never planned to speak English that day. Honestly, I just wanted to go home. It was raining, I was tired, and my phone battery was at 2%. I had just arrived in Nairobi from my village. Big city, big noise, big confusion. I was carrying 2 heavy bags, one full of clothes, the other full of bananas from my mom. Don't ask me why. She said, "Take them to your cousin. City people don't have real bananas." So I said yes, like a good daughter. Anyway, I got into the taxi. The driver looked at me in the mirror and smiled. "You speak English?" he asked. I paused, then I said, "Little, very little." He smiled again. "Good. I will teach you some." "Teach me?" I wanted to say no, I wanted silence, but instead I said, "Okay, teach." And so the lesson began. "Repeat after me," he said. "My name is Mary. I'm going to my cousin's house." I smiled. "My name is Mary. I'm going to my cousin's house." "Good," he said. "But say cousin's house with apostrophe as we continued. I like bananas. These are from my mother. I like bananas. These are from my mother." "Perfect." He laughed. I laughed. The bananas rolled off the seat and hit the floor. He said, "Even the bananas are learning English." I couldn't stop smiling. That 30-minute drive became my first real shadowing lesson. No books, no grammar, just real talk, real words, real life. When we stopped, he said something I'll never forget. "English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave." Then he added, "Next time you take a taxi, teach me some Swahili, okay?" I nodded. Deal. That day changed something inside me. You see, I always thought English was for other people. Smart people, city people, people who went to good schools. Not me. But that one taxi ride, it made me curious. It made me brave. I started listening to podcasts, watching English shows with subtitles, repeating words to myself on the bus. At first, I felt silly. I made mistakes. People laughed sometimes. But you know what? I laughed too, because I knew I was learning, and I was not alone. Once I told someone, "I am very delicious," instead of saying, "I am very delighted." They laughed so hard they cried. I laughed too. That's how you remember things, right? Shadowing helped me most. Listening, repeating, over and over, even in the kitchen while cooking. I would say things like, "Can I help you? What time is it? Do you like mangoes?" Just like that taxi driver said, not perfect, just brave. So, what do you think? Have you ever met someone who helped you learn, even for a moment? Learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about courage, about saying one sentence, even if you're scared. And today, you just did that with me. I'm proud of you. If you want more stories like this, make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment. What sentence do you want to practice today? See you in the next video.